proud to be presenting our first Lazzara Yachts UHV Ultra High Volume 87. Lazzara's passion of pushing the boundaries of technology. You will appreciate the size. When you step aboard, you'll have to double check to make sure you're not on a yacht of much larger size. I'm Craig Bonnet, the Senior Vice President of the Euro Marine Group, the owner of Lazzara Yachts Group. On behalf of myself and the rest of the team, I want to express my enthusiasm and excitement for the launch today. And I can say that we're all looking forward to doing many more projects and sharing our projects with the world of yachting.